Hi, I'm Tom from Wilkinson Star, and today we're looking at setting up the analog remote function for a foot control and on-torch remote on the Jasic JT-200DS for both TIG and MMA. If you do require the remote in MMA, then please specify this at point of order so we can upload the suitable software for the machine. Alternatively, if you prefer to use a digital remote, then please also specify this at point of order so we can carry out the relevant modifications to the machine. Also, if you already have a machine in the field and you wish to have this feature, then you can return it to us and we will carry out the relevant modifications FOC. To connect the remote, simply plug in the 5-pin plug and press and hold the torch trigger for 5 seconds. The green remote LED will come on to indicate the remote is connected. For on-torch remote, select 40, press the trigger to strike an arc, and use the current potentiometer to adjust the output. To activate the foot control, plug in the 5-pin plug, depress the foot pedal for 5 seconds until the green remote LED indicates that the remote is selected. For the remote control, select 2T, depress the foot pedal, and begin welding. At full depression, the foot pedal will give you the maximum current of the machine. To deactivate the foot pedal, depress the pedal for 5 seconds until the remote LED goes off to indicate the remote is not selected. To select the remote in MMA, press and hold the trigger for 5 seconds and the green remote LED will appear in the bottom right hand corner. For MMA, select the MMA process, set your peak current, strike an arc and alter the current on the potentiometer. To deselect the remote, press and hold the trigger for 5 seconds. The remote LED will be off.